Polly, do you remember the time we tried to play a game of tag in the wind? Oh, how could I forget? You ended up flying straight into the trash can, and I was stuck in a tree for hours. I guess that's what happens when paper tries to play tag. We're not exactly built for speed. Definitely not. I think we should stick to simpler games. Like, who can fold the fastest? That sounds safer. But last time I tried folding a paper crane, I accidentally folded myself into a paper airplane. Oh no! You flew across the room like a mini rocket. And I thought I'd never see you again. Yeah, I had to make a soft landing in the recycling bin. Not exactly the place I wanted to be. I thought you might end up as a paper napkin at some fancy dinner party. Well, at least I'd be useful. But honestly, Polly, I think we should just stick to telling jokes. No more flying, no more folding disasters. Good idea. So, why did the paper feel sad? I don't know, why? Because it had too many creases in its life. Haha. That's a good one, Polly. Here's mine. Why don't paper characters ever get lost? I give up. Why? Because we always know where we're papered. That was terrible, Pete, but I love it.
Okay. Wow! Oh, yes!
Baby 3.
Oh, yes! Ouch! Ow!
Here we go.
Hi there!
Come on, let's go.
Welcome.